So to dilate segment AB with a scale factor of 1/2, we want to construct two different perpendicular bisectors. So the very first step is to draw two segments going from the center of dilation to A and the center of dilation to B. There's no point in going past those points because the scale factor of 1/2 is going to make the segment smaller, but also half the distance closer to A. So then you take your compass and you place one end of the compass on A. We'll dilate that point first. And you open it up until the end of the compass is at O. And we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector. So you need about a little bit more than half a circle. Then you're going to flip it around and do the same thing. So this time I'm putting the clear piece on O and the hole on A, so I don't have to change the compass setting. And I'm going to draw another arc, and it should intersect the first arc I drew in two places. Then what you're going to do is take your straight edge and you're going to line it up. Now with this program I'm going to have to draw the line, but when you actually do it with your straight edge you don't want to draw it in because you don't need it. But I'll just have to do it here. Maybe I can erase or something. So you just line line your straight edge up where the two arcs intersect, and then you're just going to put a point where that segment that you just drew intersects segment OA. So I would put the point here. So again, you guys won't have that green line, but you'll have that point. Okay, I was able to get rid of the line. So next, you're going to construct another perpendicular bisector, this time from O to B. So I'm going to put the clear piece on O, and I'm going to put the hole on B, and I'm going to construct an arc. Again, a little bit more than half of a circle. Use the same setting, flip it around. So this time you have, did this not flip? Okay, there we go. So the clear piece is on B and then the hole is on O, the center of dilation. Again, construct an arc. It should intersect the first arc you drew in two places. Okay, get your straight edge. If you remember from before, you want to just line up your straight edge where the two arcs intersect, but don't actually draw the line in. You don't need it. And then you're just going to draw a point where that line, where your straight edge, intersects OB. So here's what I do. Ready? I just take that green thing and I go whoop, and then, okay, wait, it worked the first time. Let me go slowly. Off the page. I don't know, it's gone. Okay, but then you have to actually finish it up. So what we're going to do is label. So this point is A prime. This point is B prime, but since you originally had a segment, you have to connect those two points to form a segment. So I'm just going to go like this, and there we go. We dilated segment AB with a scale factor of 1/2. Next, we're going to construct a dilation center to A. Notice A is already on the triangle with a scale factor of 3. Okay, so the first step is to extend your lines, and you want to do this from the center of dilation, which is A. So now it's a scale factor of 3, so you're going to have to go kind of further out than maybe normal. A lot of times we do a scale factor of 2. Okay, so extend those two lines from center of dilation A. Now, next thing what we have to do is let's dilate B first. So we're going to get the distance from A to B. So put the clear piece on A, and then the hole on B. Let's see here. Okay, so right now this is like a scale factor of 1. Nothing happens. So here's 1. Okay, so you're going to move it out, put the clear piece on B. You're going to mark it. That's 2. Move it again, and there's 3. Now we have to do that same exact thing for C. So let me just take it, kind of flip it around here. Okay, so now we have to adjust the compass from A to C. So clear piece on A, hole on C. Okay, so we have that distance, right? That's like a scale factor of 1 from A to C. Okay, move it out. This is, and mark it. That's a scale factor of 2. Out one more time, mark it. That's a scale factor of 3. Okay, so we have to do a couple things here. First of all, we always have to label, right? So we're going to label that this point here is B prime. And over on to the right, that is C prime. Okay, I'm going to change colors here. Let me go with blue. Now, make sure that when you draw the line, hold on, it's not on blue. Okay. Make sure you don't, or make sure that you just don't draw the line from B prime, C prime, because that makes it look like, oh, I can't get a perfect on it. Well, I'm going to have to go there. That looks like you only dilated that segment, BC, and that's not what we want. So you have to, with your pen or pencil, like trace back up to the top, trace all the way down. And on purpose, I didn't do something. Do you guys know what it is? Why would I lose a point? Okay, yes, hopefully you got it. It's because I didn't label A, which is going to stay. Oh my gosh, too many colors. Okay. A stays where it is, but you still have to label A prime. So make sure that I can see the original triangle, that whole triangle, not the original triangle, the image. Sorry. Today's December 22nd. I don't really feel like doing these videos, but I'm doing them anyways, get them over with. Okay, so anyways, label the image and trace out the image. A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, one more video. I can do it. So, number 3, we want to dilate angle BAC centered at O with a scale factor of 2. The very first step is to take your straight edge. And from the center of dilation O, you are going to extend lines out through B, through A, and through C, each going back to the center of dilation. Okay. Scale factor of 2. So, taking your compass, you are going to put the clear piece on O. You're going to open it up so the hole is on B. I'm going to do B first. And there we go. So that's like a scale factor of 1. I got to take it, move it out to B, and this is a scale factor of 2. I'm going to do each one and then label after. Okay, so I'm doing O to A right now. O to A. So this time I'm going to put the clear piece on O. Hole on A. Take that distance, extend it out. This is a scale factor of 2. And then we have to do C. Come on. There we go. Okay, so we have O to C. Take it out, extend it. Did I make it long enough? Yes, I did. There we go. Okay, so let's finish it up. Let's label. So this is going to be B prime and A prime and C prime. And I am just going to connect. Now, the original figure was an angle. We had 2 rays, right? Arrows going in one direction forever. So we have to make sure that we still have an angle. Can I do that? Here we go. Let's see what we got. Blue. Okay. So I start at A prime and I draw a ray going through B prime. Why did it not put an arrow? I know I chose it. You guys saw me choose it. See right here. Start. Well, whatever. Okay, fine. I'll make my own arrow. I don't need you. Arrow. Okay. Then we're going to do another one from A prime through C prime, just because the original, just like on the original figure, it was A through C. Again, didn't make an arrow. Whatever. I can do it. There we go. And there's angle B prime, A prime, C prime. And then there's this little other question here. What does that say? What is true about the degree measure of angle BAC and angle B prime, A prime, C prime? Well, those 2 angles are congruent, right? Angle BAC. So whatever degree measure that angle is, it's the same angle measure as B prime, A prime, C prime. It's very difficult writing on this. Okay. Explain. Why are the angles congruent? Because, say it with me, everybody, even though I'm alone right now, but you're all with me in spirit, right? Dilations preserve
Angle measure, right? Dilations, preserve, angle measure. I feel like a little kid when I write with a mouse. It just doesn't come out as my normal handwriting. I mean, it's not too bad, but angle measure. Boop, there we go. Lovely. All right, have a great day.